alpha male is healthy and happy, and that health and happiness is independent of any matter, any accumulation, or anything outside of him. Alpha male can feel the happiness in his body. Starting from the physical body, an alpha male radiates the highest joy within him. And how is this possible? Because of the good hormones that is released in him naturally when he takes actions for his life. This is how I create alpha male. I work on your health primarily from all dimensions. First of all, an alpha male is not an emotional fool of the world. An alpha male is not seeking approval from anyone outside of him. An alpha male is decisive. Decisive means that you have the masculine traits. You know that you are responsible for your decisions and actions thereafter. So you are not seeking approval of people from the world, from the matrix, from the society, from the family, from your parents, from your spouse, from your children, to tell you what is right and wrong. You have the decision making ability, and you know that whatever you are doing and whatever life you are living is the best. This confidence will not come to you until and unless all your energy centers in the body are totally cleared from all the limitations that you carry. If you have not gone beyond the comfort zone that you are carrying or you are in, what are you fearful about? Ask yourself. Have that introspection test on yourself. When was the last time did you take any risk? When was the last time did you go beyond the comfort zone of your home or the setup that you have created for yourself? Since I am addressing to all of you there, then all of you must be having different kinds of situations in life or different kinds of circumstances in life. So you need to check yourself, when was the last time you took any risk of the unknown. An alpha male becomes healthy when he goes into the unknown journey of exploration into his own self. The journey outside many have done and must be done by many people outside there, out in the world. Many are travelers, many are tourists, many are just going from one place to another. But an alpha male is not a traveler, he is not a tourist, he is an explorer. He explores outside to know himself, to discover himself, to find himself. Every moment in his exploration journey, he makes sure that he is feeling himself. So feeling is something which brings the evolution and the shift in you as an alpha male. You become healthier day by day because your hormones are getting released in the real time when you start exploring the unknown. If you want to test how do you feel exploring the unknown or exploring the known, just you can have this activity in your own city. You have been living in the same city or maybe a few cities you have visited. In the same places from the childhood till now, wherever you have visited, whatever is known to you, just go out and walk in the direction where you have been walking, on the same streets, in the same locality, in the same surrounding, and feel in your body the feeling of experiencing those similar kind of experiences, and have a notice of how do you feel when you are actually doing the same thing in the same place, in the same manner. Are there any feeling of goodness in you, happiness in you, joy in you, surprises in you, wonder in you when you do the same things in the similar manner? Or you just feel robot or programmed like a machine, and you feel nothing much in the body. Contrary to this, in the same city, if you have not visited a particular area, a particular region, and I am not confining this experience to only good places or the vibes of the place where it is very much happening place. I want you to go to the extent of both extremities. This means that go to even the slum area of your city, go to even the most natural place of your city, go to the forest area, go to every dimension of your city, in and around your city where you have never visited before. And when you walk through the slum areas or the areas which are not more developed or you have not traveled before, feel the uncomfortable feeling in your body. I am sure your inner GPS will guide you towards getting out of that area as soon as you are exposed to those lower energies, negative energies, or the energies of lack. And similar to if you just visit a forest or a area with lakes, rivers, or mountains, or anything which has natural surrounding, I am sure you will feel many different kinds of shifts in your body. So all this exploration, you have to start from where you are. You cannot wait for tomorrow something major shift to happen in your life after that which will inspire you to become an alpha male. If you love yourself, if you have value towards your life, why you are born? Have you ever asked this question? And if you have ever asked this question, have you ever got the answer to it? What is my purpose of living life? Have you gone beyond the mind and the ego and the personality that you have created so far? Or you are just happy with the character, or you are happy with the way, the roles you are playing? You are actually nobody. You play different roles. You played the role of the father, son, and many other characters. And look at your behavior, how phony it is. You are always wearing a mask. There is no authenticity in your behavior. When you assume the role of the boss, you start behaving like a boss. When you assume the role of the father, you start behaving like a father. When you are assuming the role of a son, you are actually playing the characteristics of the son. And all of this phony characteristics that you display in your life has not much relevance in the real life. So if you want to go beyond the character that you are playing already, then you have to take the way towards the unknown. The unknown is risky, the unknown is dangerous. It is not easy, but it is very much rewarding if you want to become an alpha male and you want to know how to be happy and healthy naturally. That's all for this dimension of teaching you. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.